Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Was Baina hutments demolition a mindless and heartless decision? Occupants left in open to battle incessant rainfall. Government justifies decision. Sripad Naik supports Sudhin Dawlikar's statement on pub culture, says pub culture should be controlled. Untoward incidents happen in pubs. Government will not take over mining, have proposed export duty as per grade of O, no claim on land already leased out, says CM. Margaret Alva sworn in as Governor of Goa. Alva gets additional charge besides Rajasthan. Union Minister Jitendra Singh dedicates research vessel Sindhu Sadhana to nation at Murmugaon. And Germany face Argentina challenge in 2014 FIFA World Cup final. Europeans attempt to become first team to win world title on South American soil. History backs Argentina. Now the news in detail. Was the demolition drive at Baina by state administration a big blunder? Occupants of the demolished hutments are not given any kind of proper accommodation. They are starving, without food, adequate water, battling rain and freezing breeze. This includes a 10-month-old infant too. A ground zero report of day 1 after demolition at Baina.
State administration demolished around 68 hutments at Baina beach fearing soil erosion and threat to the life of occupants. Whatever may be the intentions, the execution methods were inhuman, unplanned and blunderous.
तूफान से बचाने का है, जगह दिखा के तुम लोग तूफान से बचाना मत। तूफान से बचाया, बारिश में मार डाल रहा हम लोग को। खाना नहीं, पीना नहीं, कुछ नहीं। नल चालू रखा, सिर्फ पानी पी के मरेगा हम लोग।
An infant is very vulnerable to diseases and ailments. It needs total protection. But here, a 10-month-old baby is fighting all odds with his mother. Just because the government elected by his elders chose not to bother about him.
10 दिन का लेके किधर जाने का हम लोग घर में कोई आदमी नहीं उसको पानी नहीं कुछ नहीं तेल नहीं कपड़ा नहीं बच्चा को.
Occupants have lashed out at the administration as they are without adequate food and water. We are without shelter and the rain will kill us and our small children. One of the occupants expressed the fear.
तेरे को कपड़ा नहीं लड़का को कपड़ा नहीं बच्चे को डालने मत बताना.
Even the local feel the pain of migrant occupants, but the elected government, sworn in to protect citizens of the Indian state, has gone numb.
Minister भी हुई है रे, वोट मांगता है मेरे रखड़े से, ये गोरेब नो, हाँ, minister है मिलिंद नाइक, अन्य councillor के लैंड भी हुई है आता.
Another occupant narrated the pathetic state of affairs during the demolition.
सगळे मोडले सगळे होमलेस झालेले आता खंय वचपाक कोण ते काल येले डायरेक्ट मोडपाक स्टार्ट केले कोणी सांगूंक ना अनाउन्समेंट करूंक ना तुमका लागून बस आ तुमका लागून कितें तरी शेल्टर दिल्ले काय करूंक ना एक्चुअली मोडपाचे ऑर्डर नसले ते वेकंट करपाचे ऑर्डर असले आणि आम्ही खंय वचना आता सगळे डिसाइड केले हिंगाच आसतले आम्ही.
Some of them have exposed the politicians using them for all this while as their vote bank.
इधर ना वोट मांगने तुम नहीं तो हम नहीं बोलेगा. अभी कोई नहीं क्यों सो गए सब लोग. वोट मांगता जब जाके हम लोग हाथ पकड़ता है. अभी क्यों हाथ छोड़ा हम लोग.
The whole situation is saddening, but not for the authorities who were present during the demolition at the site. When we asked Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar about rehabilitation of the occupants, this is what he said.
दर्यान होऊन गेल्यार तूं ताका जबाबदार आसा. ऑर्डर दिल्यार कितले दिसतले. जर कोणाक स्टे घेवपाचो आशिल्लो वचूं येता आसलें न्ही. We have not done it in a sudden manner. We have issued them notices. Everything process has been done. Those 8 people now are at their own risk if they stay there. Rehabilitate over erosion.
Deputy Collector of Mormugaon, Gaurish Shankwalkar, went a step ahead and retorted, all is well, nobody is suffering.
कोण थंय उगड्यार ना, सगळ्यांनी आपले सगळे हे व्हेले सामान हे व्हेले आणि ती सगळ्यांनी भाड्याचे रूम करून रावले ते. आता थंय तांचे जे कोण लीडर आसा तांच्यांनी तांकां थंय एकठांय केल्या.
तांकां सर तुमी एक दोन तीन
मिटिंगेन मातसो आसा बिझी आसा, मागीर म्हाका फोन कर.
When an uncaring government coupled with insensitive bureaucracy decides to demolish houses of poor migrants in the name of their own safety and leaves them in dilapidated shelters to battle nature's fury in monsoon, the law gets lost. In letter as well as spirit, the present state of the migrants echoes the same sentiment. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Pub culture should be controlled in the state. Union Tourism Minister for State Shripad Naik said this, supporting the views expressed by Senior Minister in the Parrikar Cabinet Sudin Daulikar. During a function at the International Centre, Shripad also informed about e-visa facility at the airport.
When your country's tourism minister speaks against pub culture and indirectly supports his alliance partner MGP, you are not just puzzled but also taken aback. Yes, Shripad Naik said it.
इको टुरिजम बीन करपाक जाय टुरिस्ट वाडटले. तुमकां कितें दिसता सपोज जर पब बीन गोंयान वाडयले, पब कल्चर जर आयले जाल्यार टुरिजम वाडटले?
ना 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 जो जो कल्चर तो एकूण आमचे संस्कृतीक कितें बसता जो आमी सगळ्यांनी विचार करूंक जायो. लक्ष आयलें आनी म्हणून हे हांगसरल्यान ते दुसरे कडेन आमी लोकांक ते दुसरी संदी दिना. आतां हे तुजी संस्कृती वाडत रावतली जी आमच्या हिताची न्ही आनी म्हणून हे सगळ्यो वेगवेगळे तरेचे टुरिजमाची ब्रांचीस वाडपाची गरज आसा.
सो पब कल्चर गोंयान प्रमोट जावंक जाय.
प्रभाग कोण प्रमोट करची ना कोणाच्या हातूंच्यान ना.
लास्ट टायम जो पीडब्ल्यू मिनिस्टरान स्टेटमेंट केला की पब कल्चर शुड नॉट अलाव इन गोवा. तुम्ही कितें म्हणटा एज अ म्हणजे टुरिजम सेक्टर
ताजे तितून तकलें कितें तें हांव नकळो परंतु हाका कंट्रोल करचो इतलें आमी म्हणूं शकता.
Shripad Naik informed that e-visa system will start at Daboli airport.
विजा मेळपाक एक इंडिया सदांच इंडियेक सदां लेट विजा मेळटा अशें म्हणटाले आनी ताका लागून ट्युरिस्ट डायवर्ट जाताले. मागीर श्रीलंके वताले, मलेशिया वताले, मालदीव वताले. त्यामुळे आमी रिक्वेस्ट ह्या वेळी सुरवाते पासून आमी रिक्वेस्ट करतले की हो एक विशय जो आसा तातूंच्यान की अडचणीचो मार्ग तो आशिल्लो आनी त्यामुळे ई विजा जाल्ले कारणान आनी आमी फर्स्ट स्टेजीक आतां 9 घेतलात. परंतु सादारण आनी ताचें एक्सपान्शन जातलें आनीक स्टेटीक आनीक एअरपोर्टाक ताची फॅसिलिटी मेळटली.
He also stated that Central Ministry is trying to encourage tourism in the country by controlling airfare prices.
ये तो मिनिस्ट्री प्रयास कर रही है कि एयरफेयर कंट्रोल करे और वीज़ा की फ़ी भी कम करे. एक प्रॉब्लम है वीज़ा की फ़ी कंपेरेटिवली टू द श्रीलंका और मालदीव. वी आर चार्जिंग $100, दे आर चार्जिंग ओनली $25. सो तो बराबर लाने के लिए हम कोशिश करते हैं.
Tourism Minister distributed certificates to tourist guides. In Goa, nearly 200 to 300 guides will be trained and recruited as tourist guides in Goa. He also informed that all over the country, nearly 1,700 tourist guides will be trained. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has rejected the demand of Goa Foundation to take over mining leases. CM also said that Centre will amend mineral rules in the next Parliament session. CM has suggested to the Union Mines Ministry that royalty and export duty should be imposed as per the grade of the iron ore.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has ruled out taking over of mining leases by the government. Goa Foundation had asked Goa government to take over mining leases and deposit 100% earnings into the permanent fund.
I have rejected it outright, long back. Ownership of the land, if it is with you, suppose, I can't ask you to vacate it. I can't allow you to extract toll. Surface right, ताजो 114 चे नाव आसा पळय ताजो आसतो.
Chief Minister also said that Centre will amend mineral rules after taking all the states into confidence. He informed that he has suggested Union Mines Minister to impose royalty and export duty as per the grade of iron ore.
In the next assembly, next parliament, they may amend act slightly to correct certain situations. कि royalty कितें तरी एक correct parameter आसचो पडटलो. जातूंच्यान स्टेटींक royalty सारकी मेळूंक जाय. Low grade, the royalty can be small, but high grade, the royalty has to be higher.
export duty low grade.
Absolutely. Then cost of extraction is same. Extraction cost will be exactly same.
So grade wise export duty
एक्सपोर्ट ड्युटी असली जाल्यार ग्रेड वायज असल्यारूच तुका परवडटलें.
CM also clarified that government cannot claim land given through lease. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Rajasthan Governor Margaret Alva is sworn in as Governor of Goa on Saturday evening. Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, Mohit Shantilal Shah, administered the oath of office to the Governor at Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan. Alva is given additional charge of Goa after B.B. Vanchu resigned on 4th July.
Very happy to be back in Goa. I love Goa. I don't know, I have 3 states now. I'm looking after Gujarat, I'm looking after Rajasthan, and I'm looking after Goa. It's for the government to decide where they want me.
Those are queries, technical legal queries, which have been already replied to. Maybe another 3-4 days, it might come to Governor again.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.